Greetings and various assorted salutations. This is just kind of a middle-of-the-road Canvas tutorial update. As it stands, I've been releasing quite a few Canvas tutorials, mostly intended for students in my classes. I know that some other teachers are using my tutorials, which I'm thrilled to hear about. Hopefully that'll increase my play count and popularity on YouTube. But just a fair warning that the tutorials are mainly intended for the classes I set up and people who operate in the way that I do. But I welcome anyone who wants to use these tutorials because they're very important to helping a lot of people. This particular video isn't a tutorial. It's an opening to basically take in suggestions. And so in the comments below, if you have suggestions for tutorials in Canvas that you would like to see, you can post them in this video. You may have noticed that you can't post comments in my other Canvas tutorials, and that's because I've maximized permission. I've labeled those videos as for kids. You can't put comments on them. And the reason I did that is I wanted to ensure that no matter what happens, you can always access those tutorials regardless of where you are, what account you're working through. So this one will have no restrictions, and you can post comments on things you feel you might need. In any case, I hope this helps, and until later.